UCI is an absolutely incredible place to go to law school. You have opportunities at UCI that I think you just don't get elsewhere.
Law school, it's tough, it's competitive, it's hard, but here we all work together to make sure we all succeed.
From the first moment that students enter this law school, they're really trained to be lawyers.
UCI Law has prepared me to solve people's problems and figure out the best way to help them.
The principle behind founding this law school was, how do you change this profession? How do you make students more practice ready from day one?
Everyone here is a part of something bigger than themselves. And I just don't know how much more exciting an education can be than knowing that what you do matters.
This was actually the only part of Marburg that was controversial.
One of the most important things that makes UCI Law School different is our commitment to public service work.
I'm Edgar. I'm a third-year law student, and with my law degree, I want to shake things up. One of the cases I worked on was a racial profiling case. While I was working with the ACLU, we heard that there was a town here in California where the police were essentially hanging out by a road like this, and most of the people they tended to pull over on that road were the farm workers. What I really learned was how to think about solving a problem for an entire community instead of individual clients.
Some schools teach you how to drive a car, other schools teach you how to design it. Here we're trying to do both.
Here at UCI, our lawyering skills program is a kind of a full-service program that permits you to engage in life as a lawyer early on.
So that by the time we graduate, we feel comfortable with the legal process, that we're going to be learning how to practice law starting on day one.
The right to counsel actually attaches to him kind of magically at this point. This is the Sixth Amendment right to counsel.
Ultimately, the quality of any school is really a function of its faculty and students. And I believe that the faculty and students at the University of California Irvine School of Law are equal to that of any law school in the country.
I jumped at the chance to join the faculty at UCI Law School. The emphasis on teaching, on bringing interdisciplinary perspectives to bear, and encouraging public service matched my own interests and priorities perfectly.
The faculty are great. My name is DENISHA. I'm a third-year law student. A lot of times people don't have to even email a professor to set up a meeting. You can kind of just drop by the offices. I don't think I would have been as successful in law school without the support from the faculty members.
Legally, we just don't even know if it would be possible.
Our student body is diverse by every measure. They have a wide range of interests that they bring with them to the law school.
Even before the law school at UC Irvine came into existence, UC Irvine was one of the nation's leading centers for interdisciplinary legal studies. Students who are interested in this have an opportunity to enroll in a joint JD-PhD program that allows students to complete both degrees in a shorter period of time.
I'm Kate, I'm a second-year law student, and with my law degree, I would like to make society a better place. Experiential learning is a big part of UCI. I actually just finished my externship at the district court. Everything that came before the court, I had to evaluate and then give my thoughts to the judge. Getting that experience while a second-year law student was absolutely incredible.
We know the employment market is tough for everyone. So you want to make sure that the opportunities that you get while you're in law school enable you to be successful outside of law school. And the way we try to bring that out to the students is providing them with a clinical experience where they're actually working with clients.
I'm Meg, and I'm a second-year law student.
Hi, this is Meg calling from Legal Aid. I just wanted to call. I really wanted to work with seniors since I feel like they can often be a vulnerable population. Another fellow student and I helped create the SSI clinic, and SSI is Supplemental Security Income. It's really great to work on these really important issues and see how much your legal education can come into play.
The beach I'm standing on right now, there's 100 yards of sand separating me from the apartment I'm renting with 6 of my fellow law students. And all of this is only 15 minutes from campus. I went to UCLA undergrad. I loved my experience at UCLA, but in looking at law schools, I was definitely looking for a smaller and more personal experience.
I think as you kind of look at the other UC law schools, the sense of community is something that differentiates us from any other law school.
I have definitely found what I was looking for.
We're creating something very special here at UCI, the ideal law school for the 21st century.
Everything that I've gotten here at UCI Law will stay with me forever.
Edgar Aguila Socho.
It's a rich, valuable experience I wouldn't trade for anything.